Good afternoon, my name is Federica D'Ambrosio. I am one of the senior traders here at AudaCity Capital. Today we are going to review the account of one of our traders, Theo. Theo joined our funded trader program last August the 5th, and he reached his first 10% target on the 3rd of September. So if we don't consider the weekends, we can say that Theo did a very good job hitting his first 10% target in less than 1 month. The first thing we can notice here is his equity line, that yes, it was kind of flat on a 3% to 4% return on the first period, and then here we had some good movement that basically led Theo to reach his first 10% target. If we look at the stats here, we can see that his average daily return was 0.27%, which is quite good. But the data that I want to highlight here is a drawdown of just 1.05%. We want to remember that in our funded trader program, our traders are required to respect the drawdown limit of the 10%, and we can see here how Theo kept himself very far away from that. Also here, if we have a look, there is on August the biggest column we can see, and is just accounting for 0.51% of the drawdown, which is really good. Now let's have a better look at the statistics of Theo account. We can see that Theo only took 27 trades, and from the profitability bar we can see that only the 44% of them were successful trades, only were winning trades. So what happened here? If we have a look here at the average win and average loss, we can see that the average win of Theo was roughly 50 pips, while his average loss was minus 16 pips. So we can say that Theo kept a risk to reward ratio of more than 1 to 2, which is quite interesting actually. Here we can see that his best trade was on August 21. In that date it took 150 pips, which is very amazing as a result. Yeah, we can see it here, where this trade took him from return of 3.37% up to 5.678%. Very good. Now let's have a look at the summary so we can see roughly which pair he traded the most. First of all, we can see that he had more short trades, more short positions than long positions, which is fine. It's fine. And he took the majority of his trades on the CAD yen, which was not very successful for him. What was very successful in terms of profits was where his trades on the euro dollar, which is interesting, and also the New Zealand yen. So let's have a deep look at the history. We're not expecting a big C, yeah, just 2 pages of history, since we remember Theo only took 27 trades. So 27 trades to reach his first 10% target. Very good. So here is when he first joined on the 5th of August, and we can see how the first 2 trades were very good results for him, and he used the full lot that was available for him, because he was trading a 15k account, so his maximum lot size was 0.5. Okay, that's good. Now what can we see from his history? That he took not many positions, but what we can see is more red than green, which suggests us that Theo had a very good money management, because he was cutting his losing trade short, while if we have a look at this green here, and also the first 2 positions we saw before, he let run only the profitable trades. That is quite interesting. We can have a look here at the monthly gain in August. he reached the 5.74%, the one we saw here on the 21st, on the 21st of August, and then the subsequent percentage to reach his target was made on September. Of course, this is a live account, so is still trending at the moment. Let's have a look at the duration of his trade so we can have a better idea of his strategy. We can see that the majority of his position, the majority of his trades were done actually below the 14 hours. So below 1 day, but definitely below, most of them below 14 hours. While only few of them were kept running for over 1 day. What is interesting to notice here is that you see these red little dots. Those are his losing trades. So here is even more clear than from his history that he's cutting his losing trades short. He's not letting them run, while he's letting run all his only his green. These little, no, they are not dots. Only his green position, only his winning position. So this gives us an idea. So from reviewing this account, to sum up, what can we see? That if you keep a good risk to reward ratio, it doesn't matter how many trades you take. It doesn't matter the percentage of winning trades that you have. If you have a good money management, you can still be successful, you can still hit your target and still be profitable